In recent years, the freelance economy has been booming, and many teenagers have taken advantage of the opportunity to earn money online. There are many freelance websites out there, although not all of them are suitable for teens. But there are also some great freelancing platforms for them too, and they are really great. Here are 10 best freelance websites for teens. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a reliable job search website that specializes in listing remote and flexible job opportunities, including freelance jobs. It offers a wide variety of job categories, including writing, design, programming, and more. FlexJobs ensures that all job listings are legitimate and high quality, which can save time for freelancers searching for jobs. Freelancers can create an account on FlexJobs for free and browse job listings, as well as access career resources and advice. However, to apply for jobs or access some of the website's features, a paid subscription is required. FlexJobs also offers a satisfaction guarantee and can refund subscription fees if users are not satisfied with their experience. Number 9. Simply Hired. Simply Hired is a job search engine that aggregates job postings from various websites, including freelance job opportunities. Teens can use Simply Hired to search for freelance jobs based on location, job type, and skills. However, to apply for the jobs listed on Simply Hired, teens will need to create an account on the individual websites where the jobs are posted. Simply Hired can be a useful tool for teens to discover new freelance job opportunities across various industries and location. The website also offers salary and job trend data, career advice, and company reviews to help freelancers make informed decisions about their job search. Number 8. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a user-friendly platform that connects clients with local freelancers who can perform various tasks, including cleaning, moving, and handyman services. The platform offers an opportunity for teens who are 18 years and older to create an account and find work as a freelancer. Freelancers can set their hourly rate and work schedule and choose the type of tasks they want to perform. TaskRabbit's platform offers a range of safety features, including in-app messaging, background checks for freelancers, and insurance coverage for damages or injuries that may occur while on the job. Additionally, TaskRabbit provides access to resources and support for freelancers, including tips for building a successful freelance business and help with managing taxes and finances. Number 7. 99designs. 99designs is a renowned freelance network where logos, websites, and mobile apps are among the design categories available on the platform. The platform uses a contest-based structure in which clients post design briefs and receive several design submissions from various designers. The client then chooses their favorite design, and the winning designer is paid. 99designs provides a variety of tools and services to help freelancers thrive, such as design lessons, access to design software, and support from a designer community. Number 6. TopTal. TopTal is a highly selective freelance platform that connects top-tier freelancers with clients in the fields of design, development, and finance. TopTal's screening process is more rigorous than other platforms on this list, and freelancers must undergo a comprehensive evaluation before being accepted onto the platform. This includes tests of technical expertise, communication skills, and problem-solving abilities. The platform attracts high-paying clients and offers freelancers the opportunity to work on challenging and rewarding projects. The platform offers a range of benefits, including healthcare coverage and a dedicated support team to help freelancers with any issues they may encounter. Number 5. Guru. A well-known freelance network called Guru integrates freelancers with clients in a range of industries, including writing, programming, and design. The platform has an easy-to-use interface that allows freelancers to establish a profile and highlight their talents and experience. Freelancers can use the platform to search for jobs based on their talents, location, and hourly rate, and they can apply to job posts directly. Guru also provides a variety of tools and resources to assist freelancers in their success, such as a project management tool, time tracker, and invoicing system. The website connects freelancers to a friendly professional community and offers a variety of training courses and career development possibilities. Number 4. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a UK-based freelance website that offers job opportunities for freelancers across various industries, including writing, design, and programming. The platform provides freelancers with a range of tools to showcase their skills, including a portfolio feature and a custom-built proposal system. Freelancers can search for jobs based on their skills and experience, and apply for job postings directly through the platform. People Per Hour also provides freelancers with access to a supportive community of professionals, including a forum for networking and collaboration. Teens who are at least 16 years old can create an account on People Per Hour and start searching for job opportunities. Number 3. Freelancer. Freelancer is a global freelance network that links freelancers with clients in sectors such as writing, graphic design, and web development. The platform has an easy-to-use interface that allows freelancers to establish a profile and highlight their talents and experience. Freelancers can use the platform to look for employment based on their abilities and expertise, and they can apply for job posts directly. Freelancer also provides a variety of tools and resources to assist freelancers to achieve their success, such as a project management tool, time tracker, and invoicing system. Number 2. Upwork. Upwork offers a user-friendly interface that allows freelancers to create a profile and showcase their skills and experience. Freelancers can search for jobs based on their skills and experience and apply for job postings directly through the platform. Upwork also provides freelancers with access to a range of tools and resources to help them succeed, including a project management tool, time tracker, and invoicing system. Upwork has a strict policy regarding age, and freelancers must be at least 18 years old to create an account. Number 1. Fiverr. Fiverr is a user-friendly freelance platform that connects freelancers with clients across various industries, including graphic design, writing, and social media management. The platform offers a wide range of job categories and provides freelancers with a flexible way to offer their services to clients. Fiverr allows freelancers to create a profile and showcase their skills and experience. Fiverr is open to teens, but it's important to note that those under 18 will need a parent or guardian to set up an account for them. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.